Let's use a practical example. Let me show you with our surface temperature reader what's happening here. So let's just take a shot of the driveway. We can see it's 115 degrees. Now let's go into the garden and we're going to take some more. I mentioned one more thing, in that the air temperature right now is about 80 degrees, and so we saw that the driveway itself was 115 or so. So let's take a shot of the top of the mulch here. So we just have this wood chip mulch. All right, so we're taking a look, and we have 113.6, so it's about the same as out there. But now let's pull back some of this mulch, and let's take a reading of that. 75 degrees. Okay, and also I want you to notice, take a look at this soil right here. You can see that it's moist. I mean, you can see the moisture that's retaining. You can see that there's worms, invertebrates right there. Okay. And that's what we're doing. We're feeding that. They're decomposing this wood chips. It's retaining moisture, and it's moderating soil temperature. Okay, so we're going from 114 basically, just a couple inches down, it's 75 degrees. Plants like that much better. All right, so this shows you another practical, or I guess what I'm doing is I'm proving those things that I already said.